Okay?
Sir, meron kayong gusto bang idagdag? May nakakalimutan ba kami?
Hindi naman, ano lang yan. Hindi lang clear talaga yung procedure ng ombudsman. Anyway, we'll still answer it. Pero hindi malinaw ang procedure kasi dati,
For you to comment ako and to submit your affidavit. Ano pong mangyayari, sir?
kasagot kami. We will answer.
Sir, ano po yung lalamanin nitong sagot po ninyo?
Sasagutin namin yung bawat issue na nilabas doon. Na everything that happened was within legal bounds. Lahat naman yan according to law. Kaya it's actually the complaint itself. Parang na-weirdan ako kasi hindi naman committee report. But why the haste? Why not wait for the committee report? Kasi that's a committee investigation. What was contained was a chairman's report. So that's a little strange. But anyway, we'll answer it.
But sir, do you think this will be enough for Senator Ivy once na you submit your explanation?
Pagtapos ng election, tama na yun. Kasi parang in-aid lang yaman. Parang gusto lang talaga makakuha ng publicity tungkol sa election. Ano tayo magagawa?
Sir, yung kay Pulong po, meron din daw pong complaint na final po sa parang
Grave threat sa...
Yeah, I was told about it.
There's also a CCTV, but Pulong is saying na baka daw fake po yung video.
No, we will look into it. We'll let the prosecutors handle it. Hindi naman ako nagdidictate ng gagawin ng prosecutor. We give enough leeway and very transparent ang process dito sa DOJ.
Sir, on Friday po si VP Sara is scheduled for a PI dito po sa DOJ.
Okay.
Meron po bang special preparations? Meron po bang yung kampo niya?
Well, she will have the PSG with her here. Open naman sila, pwede naman sila pumunta rito to secure the premises. And it's going to be the call of the Prosecutor General. Hindi po ako nag-handle ng preliminary investigation.
Sir Anson Ke, meron po pa tayong bagong update on that?
Anson Ke, I will be meeting with some of the police officers this afternoon. Nakakausapin ako. Okay, dyan. Tatanong ko na rin.
Possible pa ba sir na maibalik yung ransom money? Kasi may ilang conversation na
Yan ang sinasabi ko sa police. Dapat hanapin nila yung ransom money at ibalik sa pamilya. That's very basic sa kidnapping cases. Okay?
Sir, meron kayong gusto bang idagdag? May nakakalimutan ba kami?
Hindi naman, ano lang yan. Hindi lang clear talaga yung procedure ng ombudsman. Anyway, we'll still answer it. Pero hindi malinaw ang procedure kasi dati, pero fact-finding yan, may rules na publish yan. Yung ngayon, parang hindi na dumaan sa fact-finding. Basta dire-diretso kagad sa amin. So, we'll see. I will not insinuate anything. I'm just saying, yung rules na tinitignan namin, parang hindi na sunod. Okay.